Public Service and Allied Workers Union is marching to demand job security from the health department. In fact, they're protesting against contract terminations for people over the age of 55 and also pushing for permanent roles for healthcare workers and data capturers. Watching the story is our reporter Nonhlanhla Jele, who joins us now live. And what are some of the solutions that the union is providing there, Nonhlanhla? Because we know, of course, that in some ways there had been talk for some time around the termination of these contracts.
Indeed, Ayanda, good morning to you and to the viewers at home. As you can see behind me and on my side, the workers are here in their numbers, crying and complaining and sending a memorandum of demands to the two departments, the Department of COGTA and, of course, the Department of Health, demanding permanent jobs. And also some of the solutions that we have heard earlier on when we arrived here from the General Secretary of NUPSO is that contracts were extended for 6 months, especially for those who are over 55 in the Department of COGTA. However, they are not happy with those resolutions. But Ayanda, just to speak to us more about that is Usolima Limela, the General Secretary of NUPSO, who's just going to speak to us about these issues. And Malema, thank you so much for your time and for joining us this morning at the SABC. You are here, you are marching. Are there any solutions that you are bringing to the two departments this morning?
Yes, we're going to submit a memorandum, but I must say there are developments, especially in the Department of Health, our engagement with the Minister of Health. But we are saying to him, we can no longer have patience on this matter. He needs to fast track it. CHWs across the country must be permanent. HTS councillors must be permanent. But there's this one old man in COGTA called SABC, who is 60 years old, but sending people who are younger than him home to suffer. So we are saying that will never happen. That decision is insane. We're demanding that the CWP workers be appointed on permanent position. And we are not going to rest. We are mobilizing the entire country. We want to close this chapter or this agenda of the CHWs. And we must say there's no other trade union movement that is fighting for these community health workers. We started this struggle a long time ago. We managed to sign an agreement in council which talks about absorption. Now, what is happening now is that provinces are delaying to implement that resolution. The only province that fully complied with that resolution is Gauteng. So this year, we are going to fight the minister so that we resolve this matter completely.
Thank you so much, Malema. As you have heard, Ayanda, General Secretary of NUPSO, saying they are willing to fight as hard as they possibly can, especially this year, saying they've already signed some of these agreements in council that are saying that these people must be absorbed or given permanent employment. As you have heard, they are submitting 2 memorandums, and Ayanda, as you can see, people already started to move towards the government complex where we are expecting them to hand over the memorandums. Ayanda?
All right, and we'll see how that all unfolds. For now, Nonhlanhla Jele live to us there from Bombela in Mpumalanga. Thanks very much indeed.